Today we are touring one of the most amazing homes I have ever seen in Cedar City, and it's specifically up here in Cedar Highlands. This cabin is 3,400 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths. It is custom built. It has been recently remodeled within the past 5 years, and it has the most amazing views of Cedar City and of Cedar Valley. You do not want to miss this video of this incredible cabin. Stick around. Now, the 2 things that I want you to stick around for is 1, the master bedroom, so amazing, and the master bathroom, but most of all, the kitchen and the views that you get from this place. You just can't find them anywhere else. You just cannot do it. But here is the front of the home. It is so beautiful. It's tall, has vaulted ceilings, full wraparound deck, which we will see in just a minute when we go look at that amazing view. But this is the front entry of the home. Right as soon as you walk in, half bath here to the right, but you just get the stairs and then the back side of the chimney and fireplace here. Now, going around, we're first met with the great room. Like I said, huge, beautiful, vaulted ceilings, big sectional couch. It's a really big couch, and it just fits the room so very nicely. Fully decorated. Every square inch of this place is just incredible. All of the decorations have special meanings, and they fit in with Cedar City and southern Utah so very well. But just look at this. Oh my gosh, you don't see things this amazing very often here in Cedar City or even Cedar Highlands. There's a lot of amazing cabins in Cedar Highlands, but nothing to this extent. Beautiful gas fireplace as well that goes all the way up. Not to mention so much natural light. Like that is, it's probably 35 to 40 foot ceilings. So amazing. And preview, that's just a little bit of a view. You can't really see it, but it is there and it is beautiful. Moving into highlight number 1 of this house is, of course, this amazing little dining room. Beautiful wood table and custom leather chairs. But just look at this kitchen. Huge wraparound kitchen all the way around. Beautiful granite countertops with the granite backsplash as well. Beautiful cabinetry. The colors mix so well together. And of course, a beautiful huge window going from your sink. And you can see the rest of the Cedar Highlands subdivision. But so much space, so much room to entertain. Use the bar stools right there as well. And if you are entertaining, you can see your guests and know what's going on in the living room. But let's go to highlight number 2, which is the master bedroom and master bathroom. So amazing. I love it so much. It's not the biggest master bathroom and bedroom you've ever seen, but that does not mean that it is not amazing. Beautiful ceiling fan above with light. Beautiful bed. Everything is styled to match the mountain vibe because we are in the mountains. Just look at how beautiful that looks. So amazing. And you get the view right outside of your bedroom. You can wake up and just literally just walk out your door and sit down and enjoy the view. But I don't want to give it away yet. It's gonna blow you away. I don't want to give it away yet. The rest of the master bathroom, double vanity sink, really big mirror, really nice. Walk-in shower as well with beautiful tile going all the way up. They did not mess around with this remodel. This is an old cabin. It's almost 25 years old, but you would have no idea that it is that old because they've done so well with the remodel They've done so many good things with it to make it seem like it is brand new. But let me not take any more of your precious waiting time. Let's go out and see highlight number 3 of this amazing home, which is, of course, that incredible view, which is honestly, beauty comes in a lot of different ways, but this is just amazing. You can see for endless miles. So beautiful. That is Cedar City right there. Fully wraparound deck. This house does cover it a little bit, which kind of sucks, but you still can't say that this is not amazing. Not to mention jacuzzi here. You can sit and watch the sunset in your jacuzzi, sitting out here on the deck in your chairs. It really does not matter. And like I said, from the kitchen and from here, you can see the rest of Cedar Mountain and the rest of beautiful Cedar Highlands. Not to mention just the beautiful house itself. So incredible. Now let me go show you what it looks like from the master bedroom, the walkout space, because that is a wonderful way to start your morning every single day, is waking up and you get to have this kind of view. Sit right here on your log rocking chair and just take it all in. Oh my gosh, I can't get enough of it. I love it so much. That is one thing that a lot of people just cannot have, is an amazing view just like that. But that's not all the amazing parts of this incredible home. There's also a fully furnished upstairs and downstairs. So let's go upstairs. There's 2 more bedrooms up there, fully furnished, beautiful. Have so many good things to them, because this cabin is just made to impress anyone who comes here. But that is super beautiful as well. That chandelier type light stands out a lot. And just more amazing views. Windows, big windows everywhere, so you're always seeing that amazing view. Put a good little sitting area here, and 2 really nice, very large, I should say, bedrooms as well, with bathrooms that are inside of it. Really nice, really well done, really well thought out. Just incredible. And in each of the rooms, even better, is that they each have their own walk out to an incredible view. Like, why not, you know? Why not have another place where you can enjoy this? And it's just so quiet. I'm gonna just be quiet for a second. No sound, nothing. Peace at its finest. You just can't get this in very many places, especially here in southern Utah. This is the only neighborhood of its kind to be so close to I-15, but be in the mountains technically and have these types of views. Of course, we have Bryan Head and Duck Creek, but they aren't close to major towns, and they don't have amazing views like this. They do have amazing views, but not all of them do. Cedar Highlands is very unique in that way. But if you are interested in seeing more homes like these and you want to make the move to southern Utah, make sure you go into the description where we have our free relocation guide and also our free free consultation, one-on-one. We can show you any home, we can talk about listings together, we can understand where we can help you in your real estate goals, and if you are making the move, make it happen as smoothly and stress-free as humanly possible. So link is in the description down below. Make sure you go and get that free guide and get a consultation with us. But just to finish off the home, beautiful laundry room, as well as another full bathroom here down in the basement. Just all the showers are so beautiful with the tile going all the way up, all the way down. That is not a cheap upgrade by any means. And last but definitely not least, this is the 4th bedroom of this house. A little bumper pool table for entertaining, another bunk bed, another queen-sized mattress. If you haven't been counting, this house sleeps a lot of people in sleep. So many people. And so that is another really huge bonus to this place. Not to mention that it's on a lot of acreage. It's a very big cabin. It's on over an acre of land, which you can see around it. There's some in the front, some in the back. But what an amazing cabin, an amazing neighborhood. Just has everything that you want if you're looking for something like this, of this caliber. This cabin hits a lot of boxes. It really, really does. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is such a beautiful cabin. It has so many amazing things to it, but someone else has already bought it. But that doesn't mean that you cannot have a beautiful cabin just like this. As I said in the description, there's links to our free relocation guide and a consultation with us for us to help you find an amazing place just like this, or just to find what you want to call home, whether it's a cabin, townhouse, single family home. We help buyers and sellers every single day find their dream home and reach their real estate goals. So make sure you go in the description below and contact us, and we would love to help you. But again, thank you so much for watching today's video. Comment your favorite part of the cabin today, and I'll see you in the next video.